Eczema. What is eczema? Why does it occur? Well, eczema is a description of the skin, raised, red, and itchy. So it's better called by its proper name, atopic dermatitis or allergic dermatitis. There are three big parts of atopic dermatitis. The first are the allergies, and they come from two big sources. The first are indoor stuff that's around all the time. Dog, cat, dust mite, cockroaches, dust itself, mice, rats, indoor molds. These can cause this allergic reaction to occur. Also, foods. Probably about a third of eczema is caused by foods. So you have to define what foods are causing this reaction, because if you eliminate that food, once it's properly diagnosed, sometimes the eczema entirely goes away, or it helps the skin get better. And that's the thing about the skin. You just have this raised, red, itchy stuff. Oh, it's horrible. People who have it will tell you that they scratch and itch all day, or they itch at night. It wakes them from sleep. Or these poor little kids, they don't sleep. They're just up all night. And you know, my friend had a great idea. He should make a t-shirt that says, if I don't sleep, nobody sleeps. But it's just very, very intense. The second part is a bacterial infection of the skin. So those who have eczema have not the greatest skin barrier. It's just part of the disease. And so there's all this extra bacteria. In fact, people with eczema have 10 times the bacteria count of somebody who doesn't have eczema. And what happens is when this bacteria dies and the dead bacteria break open, it leaves a chemical, and this chemical is called staph superantigen. And what this chemical does is it catalyzes the skin reaction or makes it worse. It feeds it. So that's why, again, people never itch when they have eczema. They dig and scratch, and they break through the skin, and they bleed. And also, when you break through the skin, a lot of people find they have these yellow, crusty lesions. What is that? That is impetigo, or a bacterial skin infection from the bacteria staph that's all the time on their skin. The other part of eczema is xerosis. Fancy word, what does it mean? Dryness of the skin. Some people go, well, you know, I live in Colorado, that's why my skin's dry. And the answer is no, it's not because of that. That's part of the process of having atopic dermatitis. So one of the things we teach people is how to hydrate the skin so that the barrier is intact and they don't have this dryness, and it doesn't lead to the bacterial infection, and the allergies don't bother you. So proper evaluation and treatment of atopic dermatitis. Obviously best done by an allergist, because we can figure out what are the environmental / indoor year-round allergens that are causing it, and then help you eliminate those. What foods might be causing it? Let's detect what they are and go through proper elimination. And we have a wonderful program. We make it almost impossible for you to ever eat or ingest that food again. What can you do about the bacteria? What can you do to eliminate it so it's not there on your skin? It doesn't catalyze reaction or give you infections. What can you do for the xerosis or drying in the skin to make it feel wonderful? Too many people suffer with this. Infants, toddlers, children, adolescents, and adults. It happens in all ages. Yeah, most of it, 70% happens in kids, but it can affect all ages. But the big thing is, you don't have to live with it. You don't have to suffer with this. You can do something about it. So proper evaluation by an allergist can give you wonderful skin and a wonderful life, and that's what we're all about.